Hello there and welcome back. In this class we are going to discuss about JQuery effects, but the topic is JQuery animate effects. So you can read here JQuery animate effects. This is the title. It means we can create some animation, some basic animation inside JQuery. So for creating animation, I'm just going to create a box here or a div. Inside the div, a box, div start and div close. So this is box, this is a box, this is a box for animation. So this is the text which will be written on the box. Control S. Inside the div we are just going to create a class or ID. I'm just creating a class and the name of this class should be box. Control S. Just come inside css dot box. You need to call this, and the width of this should be just 100, not 1000, 100 pixel. The height should be same, 100 pixel. The background color should be something like red. The text color should be just yellow, and text color should be yellow. Font size I'm just saying 26, not 16 pixel or 18 pixel. And one more attribute, this called position or relative. When you are just creating animation, so you need to just must use this attribute position, and the value should be assigned relative. Control S to save. Go to run and launch in Chrome. So this is the box. I want to just click on this box. This box should come here to the bottom or to the left. It should take some margin. So just come inside your JQuery file or script tag, insert a $sign, round bracket, and semicolon. Inside single or double quotation, you can just select dot box. We have just created here. For class we are using dot, and the name of that class box dot box, and you are just saying when someone click on this box. So again, the function should run here with a round bracket and curly braces. Inside this curly braces, again $sign, just a dot, again round bracket, semicolon outside of this. So you are just going to select again dot box should be animate, and here you are just opening a curly braces. You are just saying from the top it should be something like 300 pixel. For separating we are using comma, and next attribute left, from the left it should be something like 800 pixel margin. You can just save this. Let's check it's working or not. Refresh, click on this so you can see it is working. Again refresh, click on this. So there are just different ways to create animation. So this is just this is a way, a simple way we can say that we can use some margin from the top, from the left. So you can use just margin like this, and if you want just use some margin from the bottom or right, put a comma here, just right here, right. For example, from the right, you are just using something like, you can say 850 pixel margin. Let's check it's working or not. Refresh, click on this. You can see, but this last attribute this not working. Because why it's not working? Because we have already used 800 pixel of margin from the left, so we cannot give 850 pixel from the right. So this not possible. So you can just remove this and save. So as I told, there are many ways to create animation. So this just I'm just writing here in comments, first animation. So you can just copy this, Control C, and paste here after this. Copy this two line, Control C, and you can just paste here after this. So this time I'm just going to remove this from here. So you can say second animation. So in second animation, when someone you are just saying on mouse enter, on mouse enter, on mouse enter, this should be animate. The width of the box should be something like the width of the box should be something like 900 pixel. Inside the single quotation you are just giving 900 pixel, and you need to just copy this till here, Control C and paste here, Control V. This should be third animation. So here the width should be on mouse leaf, here on mouse leaf, the width should come back on 100 pixel. Control S, just come here and refresh. On clicking you can see there is some margin till here and here. Just on mouse enter, you can come back and you can just remove this one from here, or you can just make these comments. Control S, let's check, refresh. So not working. On mouse enter you can just remove this area. You can just remove this one also, this first animation, and this second animation. Control S, come here and refresh. On mouse enter, so on mouse enter the width should be 900 pixel, and on mouse leaf animate the width should be 100 pixel. Mouse leaf, mouse enter. You can just remove this at once, remove this space also. You can just put a $sign here, a round bracket, full stop, another round bracket, and semicolon. So inside single quotation we are just going to select dot box. On mouse enter, so the function, if you want to see TION function with the round bracket and curly braces, should be run here. Again $sign, and just round bracket, full stop, again round bracket, and semicolon. So again you are just going to select the box dot box. So there should be, this box should be animate, and insert a curly braces here. The width of this box should be something like 900 pixel. PX, Control S, and just come here and refresh. Again it is not working. Just remove this semicolon, Control S, and refresh. Yes, now this is working, you can see. And just copy this area, this two line, Control C, and you can just paste here. Control V, you can just write here second animation. Second animation, and this is the first animation, you can see. First animation, Control S to save. So there should be the width in 100 pixel. On mouse leaf, Control S, when you are just moving or entering your mouse inside the box, the width should be 900 pixel, or when you are just moving out your mouse or leaving your mouse out, the width should be 100 pixel. On that time, Control S. So you can see when you are entering the mouse inside the box, the width is going to change in 900 pixel, from 100 pixel to 900 pixel. and we are just leaving this, it's just coming back on 100 pixel. And this is the animation. I think for this video it's enough, and we will come back in next class. We will discuss about some more effects or animation. So till next class, once again I'm just going to tell you watch the videos and do a lot of practice. Have a nice time and see you.